Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. This will be a quick unboxing video. In this video, I will show you another budget mechanical automatic watch that I bought from AliExpress and recently got in the mail. But before moving forward, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. First, the wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Chenchi 948 quartz watch. Our today's watch is from Pagani design. Although this is the first Pagani design watch on this channel, certainly this is not my first Pagani design watch. I've been using their GMT 1622 for quite some time. Pagani is known for making budget homage watches, and in recent years they have been doing very well in terms of quality and prices. Let's get back to the watch in hand. The watch comes in this fancy blue box with Pagani design mention on it. And without further delay, let's open the box. In the box, you get a cleaning cloth which is marked. Then you get a guarantee card which is unsigned, so it is not usable. Then there is a screwdriver. It's a minus head screwdriver. And there's a small manual, a plastic tag, and the final thing, the watch. The model number of this watch is YS005 V3. The difference between the V2 and V3 is of date complication. In V2, you will find the date complication at 3 o'clock. By now, many of you must have guessed that this is an homage to Omega Seamaster 300, coaxial chronometer 41 mm. Now, let's first remove the plastic from the watch. Here we can see the first look of the watch. This watch looked like a solid build. To my eyes, it looks clean and elegant. The hands are very noticeable, and the sweeping seconds hand on the blue dial make it look more artistic. The dial seems to be a sandwich dial. Well, I'm not sure about it. I will try to do some research later on. Let's check the bezel action. It feels pretty smooth, and I'll try to adjust it at 12 o'clock position. Yep, it aligns perfectly. There is a little backplay, very little. Let me know in a comment how this watch looks to you. Moving further, according to the listing, the watch has a stainless steel case and it is brushed. The bracelet is also made of stainless steel, giving it a sleek and elegant look. The side links are polished and the center links are brushed. The clasp is folding with safety. Now let's talk about the measurement. The diameter of the watch is 41 mm and the lug-to-lug width is 20 mm. The thickness of the watch is 13 mm and it weighs around 158 grams with a provided bracelet. The watch is powered by a trusted NH35 automatic movement from Seiko. The 200-meter water resistance makes it a durable watch in most of the conditions. It has a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Now let us see how it looks on a wrist. As usual, I need to remove a few links. My wrist size is 6.5 inches. That is all for now. As I mentioned, I will create a full detailed review video of this watch after using it for a few days. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing and be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.